Now what I'd like to draw your attention to is a beautiful pattern that's created in that final row of the table from the previous slide. For stages 0, 1, and 2, we were able to write down an expression that told us precisely how much area was added at this stage. And before I start adding those individual areas together to get a total area, I'd like to first rewrite them in a way that emphasizes a pattern that we're seeing here. In the first stage, the area is what the area is, but if we factor out a 1/2 from the first stage and a 1/4 from the second stage, you'll find that what we're left with over here after factoring, in both cases, is exactly that first initial area. What this means is that when we consider the sum that's going to give us the total gray shaded area in this figure, what we have is a first term right here, and then what we're adding to it at each stage is precisely 1/2 the value of the previous stage. The area that we add at this stage is precisely half of this area. The area that we add at this stage is precisely 1/2 of this area, since 1/4 is 1/2 times 1/2. Ultimately, what this means is that we're looking at a geometric series where our first term is 1 minus pi over 4, and our ratio, the thing that we're multiplying the previous term by to get the next term, is 1/2. Because geometric series have a very nice formula for what they add up to, namely they converge to the first term divided by 1 minus that ratio, we can apply that to our specific context here to find that this series converges to our first term, 1 minus pi over 4, divided by 1 minus our ratio is this 1/2, and ultimately this total gray area that we will have shaded in is equal to 2 times the quantity 1 minus pi over 4.